Good morning, my loves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, 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 and welcome. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. So, because there are going to be lots and lots of events that I want to attend back here in Eastern Cape this year, I want to save my days basically. I want to have more leave days, and I would love to have a long weekend and us go somewhere, maybe in September. I don't know. We don't know what God's plans are for us this year, but we are trusting Him and we are putting all our faith in Him. So that's what we're doing. We are letting God take the wheel this year. We are not trying to control everything, because we have seen the fruitfulness of His plans. Last year was just an amazing year for me, shame I will not lie. As much as we lost two cousins, like my cousins' husbands, but overall it was not a bad year at all, especially because I was able to do Lomsebenzi, and this year is just me recovering and go back to reality.
One eternity later.
This is literally the first vlog that I'm doing in 2025. Yeah, excluding the travel vlog, the one that was coming back to Johannesburg. So this is literally the first vlog that I'm starting in 2025, and not starting in 2024 and finishing in 2025. So this is the start of a new year. I hope you guys are good. As you guys can see, I'm getting better. I did not come here with ashy lips. But anyways, I am coming back from the Ndiowenza test yegazi, and that went well. And then I went to Clicks and I went to Mr. Price at home. So I want to show you guys what I bought there. If you guys remember, a frying pan here too is in a state. I love that frying pan because it was a friend purchased it and gifted it. If there is a way that you guys can suggest in the comment section, how do I restore that pan, because I love it so much. I'm willing to recoat it. If there is a way that I can recoat it, please suggest anything. But anyways, I want to show you guys what I got at Clicks first, and then I'll show you what I got at Mr. Price home. This is what I got from Clicks. First and foremost, these for our toothbrush cover. These are toothbrush covers. There is 4 of them. I bought us Listerine. If you guys remember, we went to a dentist and we've been neglecting this part. I bought a refill of our hand wash. Bought the Clicks brand because they didn't have the other brand that I like. I bought a Kotex. This is new. I've never seen this, but this is a value pack. And they had a promotion. I bought myself tampons as well. They also had a promotion, 38 rand for 2 of these bar soap, beauty bar soaps. So I bought them as well, because health is wealth, right? I bought folic acid. I believe this is contributes to your red blood cells and normal growth and development. There's 60 tablets in here. I also bought magnesium. I've been feeling so tired. I think that magnesium is good for your teeth and your bones. And yeah, I also got iron. This has 100 tablets in it. I don't know. I bought iron. I actually meant to buy zinc, but And this, they work with your red blood cells, right? So folic acid and iron. I need zinc. So that is all I bought at Clicks. And Sana, at Clicks you will go there, because the only thing I went for Clicks was literally this. This is what I went for. I could have spent 80 rand and left the shop, but no. Anyways, moving right along, let me show you guys what I bought at Mr. Price Home. Mr. Price Home, my husband says it is when I didn't wash the dishes. So I bought 12 of these, and then I bought this one, also 12 pieces. These are also, it's also essential cutleries. I bought 12 of them, the spoons. And then, like, I still need to get a microwave, but for the microwave that we are merely using right now, it gets so dirty. And I bought this as well to cover our food when we are warming it up. Last but not least, I bought this frying pan, and it is aluminium. I hope that it will last us a while. Please suggest. I bought this is 24 centimeters. Please suggest anything. I love that pan so much, but it's not, it's giving health hazards, I'll show you how it looks like right now. I'm embarrassed, but I'll show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like right now. Love it so much. Been using it for a while. I think this was a present when I got married. Lobisa gave me this so much. Guys, please suggest if you know a factory that does this, that can do this for me. Please comment in the comment section. If you know any company that can recoat this. It's such a durable pan. I love it. Like, yeah. So that is that. I am going to fix myself something to eat. I am later going to KwaMalmega's Emzini. So I need to change this dress. Luckily for me, I did bring in my ipini falam, so that's what I'm gonna wear to KwaMalmega's. And then my husband is not here. He went for a training. So he's gonna Uber from a training around 3:02 and then get me there, KwaMalmega's. So yeah, that is my morning. I wanna get better. That's why I bought these, because I feel so tired. That I need a slow mag, also something that I should have bought too. But yeah, my loves, I shall see you again when I pick up this camera. I don't know when.
Much later.
Good afternoon, my loves. My husband is back. Well, he came back and then we went KwaMalume because they had like a brunch. So we had brunch and now we are back home. We're gonna quickly run the machine for our clothes, and yeah, so this is the end of my day today. All I'm gonna do now is rest, cause girl is tired. Oh, let me have my I didn't have my medication. Let me have them now.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking.
Never been a fan of medicine, especially tablets. But let's see if this is gonna help me anyway. In any ways, improve my health, because health is wealth, honey. So yeah, my loves, I shall see you when I pick this camera up again.
I hope that you are safe and
One eternity later.
that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
hi loves, I think I want to close this vlog right here. So I want to share some things before I close it. Like, I think 2 things that I want to share with you guys. I am featured in a magazine. You can still get the magazine. It's 50 rand, and if you use my discount code Sister Tulisile, you will get 25. Featured in Sister Boss magazine. I'll show you now. Please go grab Instagram page. That's the Instagram page. So I'm featured in this magazine, and this is the cover of the magazine. That is the cover of the magazine there. That's the cover of the magazine. That is me. I'm featured in a magazine, so please show your girl some love and go to Sister Boss magazine and purchase your magazine. It's gonna be in dollars, but don't worry, it's gonna be 50 rand. But if you use my discount code is Sister Tulisile 25 for 20% off. That's the code. Otherwise I'll put it in the screen. Otherwise I'll put it in the screen somewhere, and then you can just use that code for to purchase the magazine. I've already purchased mine. Yeah, that's number 1 that I wanted to show you. So please go to the Instagram page. It should be in their link in the description, not description, in their link, in their bio link on their Instagram page, and then you can just purchase my magazine. And I just want to say thank you so much to Sister Boss magazine for recognizing and featuring me in their magazine. They do tell my story. If you can see there, it says, that's me. It says administrator and content creator. Yes. So yeah guys, I am featured in the magazine. Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys, I have a giveaway. I have a giveaway. I'm giving away this. Yes, I'm giving away this. I did say to you guys, if we reach 2,000 subscriber by the end of 2024, which we did, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I am doing a giveaway. These are the things that are gonna be in the giveaway. Bonnet from Originals, but this tool where you can massage your hair when you're washing it, and for blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. So that, oh, I think this one leaked here. I did not open it, but it's leaking. You're gonna also receive this leave-in conditioner from them. You are also gonna get conditioner when you're washing your hair. You're gonna get these clips from Auntie Jackie. You're gonna get a comb from Auntie Jackie as well. You are definitely getting this from Auntie Jackie as well. You can put your water here to spray when you're doing your hair. Please avoid combing your hair while it's very dry. You are literally breaking your hair. This comes in handy. You can even mix your water, your leave-in conditioner, and all your essential oils here for hydrating, like for a daily hydration. That's what I do to my hair as well, to my hair routine. Like if I'm not gonna like do a replenishing moisture routine, I use this on a daily, which is just then I'm done. So you're definitely getting that. You are getting this clear moisturizer. This is a clear moisturizer. It comes with, which I think is very cool, it comes with an oil, like a tissue oil of some sort. So you're gonna get this as well. You're gonna get that as well for moisturizing. And then you're gonna get this too. This is an oil for lock in moisture. You're gonna get that. You are gonna get 6 of these hair clips. This is perfect when you are doing your own hair or when you are moisturizing your hair, like you wanna section your hair into different parts. It's gonna come in handy, so you're definitely getting that. I'm gonna throw in samples of the oil so that when you run out of this one, you can just pour this into this and then you use it like that. So I'm gonna throw in samples from Auntie Jackie. These are Auntie Jackie samples as well. So that is all that is gonna be in my giveaway. I wish I could add more things, but for now that's all that I am adding to the giveaway. Please be mindful, this has I haven't used it, but it has what do you call it, it has licked in the bottle. Obviously you're gonna get it in this bag, which you can use for shopping as well, like grocery shopping. So that is the giveaway. Excited. And I think for the giveaway I don't have much rules on it, honestly, but I think that I am gonna give to someone who always comments on my videos, because YouTube has made it easy for us to track who is engaging in your comment and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna use that tool instead of choosing it randomly. I'm gonna choose someone that I know always comment on my videos and they show amazing support to my channel. So that's what I'm gonna give this gift to. So yeah, I'll announce the winner. You can just, I want to send it via PEP, so you can just send me your their PEP number or their closest PEP store number, you know, for me to be able to send it via Paxi. So that is the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I shall see you in my next video.